Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you like this color, stay tuned. Let's see which one of these wigs is going to be the lucky winner. Okay, we got black, we got red, we got pink, we got brown, we got blonde. Oh, is this it? Nope. Okay, maybe this one. Is this it? This is it, you guys. This is the one we're going to transform. So you got your usual, your bleach, developer, shampoo and conditioner, blah, blah, blah. First, I'm going to start by pouring some hot water into my washing bowl. Now, I'm going to add my 50 weight developer. I'm going to use about a half a bottle. If you have gloves, please put them on. I'm used to doing this and I know I'm not going to drench my hands in it, so I'm not going to use any at this time. Now I'm going to add my bleach. And I'm not really putting like a certain amount. I'm just putting some in there. I'm not using like a half a bag or nothing like that. I say maybe I used about maybe a half a cup, maybe a cup full. Now I'm going to completely stir it up, making sure my bleach is completely mixed up into the developer, and then I'm going to dip my old wig in it. I'm going to add a little bit of this Kiss Clear in it to see if it'll brighten it up. I don't really know if that will work. I've just seen a couple of people do it to get their blonde wigs even lighter or return a color into a pastel color. So really right now I'm just experimenting with this Kiss Clear. Dip it in, flip it over, move it around, do whatever you have to do to make sure all of the hair is saturated. So I rinsed the bleach off and then I washed it. Now I'm going to start the watercolor. So these are the two colors that I'm using. Now I'm pouring in my hot water and I'm going to pour in my dye and mix the dye completely before I dip my wig into it. Y'all see the color this wig came out from a distance. Okay, this bad baby is hot. So now I'm going to start dipping the hair in, making sure that it's saturated. And I'm not going to stick the whole entire wig in. I'm just sticking like half of the hair in, a little bit more than the tips, about half of it. So this is what it looks like now. Now I'm going to install it. As you can see, my ball cap method is already done. So now I'm just pulling back my wig cap to where I believe my lace front is going to lay. And now I'm going to just cut off the excess wig cap. Taking a little alcohol to clean off these edges, because y'all already know if your edges ain't clean, your lace will come up. Ooh, I really love this color. And look, y'all, look at my baby hair. Y'all know I do not know how to really do no baby hair that well. I did the baby hair ahead of time, and I am loving it. I just hooked it up with a little bit of mousse on my wig head and tied it down, and voila. Just pop that bad baby on, and it's done. I'm using Ghost Bond glue, and when I start to add my glue to my edges, I always start down at the bottom of the temple part because that part always takes the longer to dry. So if you start there first, by the time you get to the top and add that glue, all of your glue would have been, it'll start to get tacky evenly. Now I'm going to try to get a good grip so I can put her down. Okay, and I know my baby hair might look a little weird or a little bit crunchy, but you guys, it's okay. Once you install your wig at the very end, you're just going to put a little bit of mousse on it again, tie it down for a few minutes, and it's going to mold to your edges. It's going to look like you just did your baby hair. So this is the part when I'm adding the mousse to my baby hair. And I'm just trying to fix it up a little bit, putting the mousse on there so I can tie it down. Now I'm just going to take my clip to move my hair out the way. That way my black strips won't get caught in the hair as I try to tie my edges down. Now I'm unveiling the red carpet. Ooh, oh my gosh. It looked like I just did my baby hair. It's all stuck to my edges. Okay, so let me take my wax stick so I can try to get rid of any flyaways. You know, just try to spruce it up a little bit. Take my hot comb, run it through, you know, do a little touch up. Y'all know the routine. Thank you so much for supporting me. Don't forget to watch, subscribe, and hit that play button.